Hi friends, hi YouTube if you're new here. Hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do. If you don't. I enjoy whatever time we end up spending together. And if you do not subscribe, I will follow you around for the rest of your life making fun of you and laughing, maybe making noises at you. So then you screw up. So subscribe to me. But today we're doing a simple little date night look. I used one brush. I only used like 3 or 4 shadows. I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. I did it with the Beauty Bay Desert Haze palette. So if you want to see how I created this look and do a little makeup time with me, then let's get into it. Well, hello. It's been a minute. I have not filmed in a while. I've not felt like I haven't felt like doing makeup in a while, so we will see how this goes. I want to do something that's a little bit bronzy and like burgundy, maroon, just warm, sensual, you know. Why not, right? I have not played with makeup in a while, like I said, so I'm excited to just dibble and dabble and hopefully get my spark back for this. So I have 2 palettes out. I have the New Moon Twilight palette, which looks like this. And then I have the Beauty Bay Desert Haze palette, which looks like this. Just because we have some like warm tones, some browns, some like good sand colors, some burgundies, all that. So I have my eyes primed and I have them set, so let's do this thing. So I have you a little bit scooched in, and I think we're gonna maybe just play more with the Desert Haze palette. It's really speaking to me right now, and I think I'm gonna start with that shade right there called Fennec. I'm gonna take it on my Refer 27 here, taking it and plopping it into right here. I may end up changing my tank top from this like green into, I think I have like maroon one somewhere. A burgundy. So just taking that, bringing it into this outer corner out here, and bringing it up here into the crease. How's everybody been? Is everybody doing okay? I'm doing good. I'm just exhausted. I'm adding a little bit more. I wanna be bronzy. I've been really seeing a lot of tutorials on TikTok because that's mostly where I've been like watching and spending my time. I mean, I'm posting there. And I love how everybody does their makeup on there, and I just wish I had the drive, or I don't not necessarily want to say talent, but like it's just not my type, but I'm trying that right now. Okay. Once I have it just like so incredibly blended, I like that. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Scorched, right there. Same brush, but with barely any product on there, even kind of tapping it off and bringing it into right here. And I think I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of that Fennec shade. Just taking that, bringing it a little bit lightly forward. The brush is barely even on my eyelid. Just taking it. That's pretty solid. Okay, I think I'm going to bring in just a little bit of that Dune shade right there. Still same brush. And just kind of bring it along right out here. Just right there. Just for some added color. Nice. Okay. And then I think I'm going to go in with some of that Scorpion shade right there, bringing a lot more of that on the brush compared to that Scorch shade, and just tapping it into right here. Kind of just for the base of like plopping it down of where I would like it. That's super pretty. Okay, going in with a tad bit more. Again, just kind of plopping it in here. Melding it up into that beautiful bronziness that we've created up there. Just tapping everything in. So I'm taking that Fennec shade on a rougher 15 and just bringing it a little bit more forward here in the crease. Like so. And then I think I want, gosh, I don't even know. Do I want to leave that empty? I'm really tempted to put this hazy shade or this salt flat like right here. But I kind of even want to like plop it into here. But I almost so really just want to leave it like blank, like empty. You know? So I have this liner from ColourPop X Twilight. It's in the shade Vampire here. I'm thinking about plopping this in like a line right here. I'm not gonna do that on camera. But then I was thinking maybe like down below, I do have this ColourPop Volumizing Mascara from the Shrek collection in Dragon. So maybe bringing that down there. So yeah, just give me a second here. We'll see how this goes. I messed up. See, this is why I don't do it on camera, because then for whatever reason, I end up fucking up. But relatively something like that, even though it looks like shit. So there's that. I'm gonna go do that on the other eye. And then I think what I'm going to do is just leave it at this. We'll see what my face, like what I end up thinking of doing when my whole face is done. So I'm gonna go do my face. I'm gonna do my my lashes, my blush. I will come back for details. You guys know how this goes. And then we'll see if I want to plop some like shimmies in here. I know I want to plop something here, but I think I might just honestly leave that part blank, which is kind of crazy for me. But yeah. This may genuinely be one of my best freaking brow days pretty much ever. I'm really liking how this is looking. It's like super sultry. It's not like, it is what I had planned, but it's just like it's working, okay? It's working, that's what the word is. I went with a little bit I went in with a little bit of the Satin Matte Bronzer here from REM Beauty. It is the one in Out of Office. And then I went in with this NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in All Buttered Up, which is this one, as more of a blush. Because I love like this sort of color for a blush. And then I put in a little bit of this ColourPop Extract Fairy Tale Things cheek and lip balm here on my cheekies, and I think it just looks freaking bomb as hell. Like I said, I went in with that Vampire liner in here. You can't really see it with the giant ass lashes, but that's okay because I love my giant ass lashes and I'm not gonna give them up. So yeah, I really like this. Let's figure out this under eye though. I figured, because why would we be collaborative? I kind of want to leave the under eye bare, to be honest, but yeah. Do I add something in the inner corner? I kind of just want to leave it how it is. I feel like this is like, yeah. I think I'm going to leave it how it is. And we're going to go in with a little bit of mascara down the bottom lashes. And then we'll figure out a lip. I think the mascara did what it needed to do. I think it, yeah. I feel like just adding something down there would just like, it just would screw up how I'm feeling with it. I have a bunch of little lip choices right here. A lot of it is bullet all. It's ColourPop. Yeah, it's obviously the Shrek collection right here. I do have a lip liner from the Frosty the Snowman one in Over the Hills. I think I'm gonna go in with the Short Lord here just because, y'all. This is a lip combo. This is a lip combo. Okay. Like I said, the Frosty the Snowman X ColourPop in Over the Hills and Short Lord. This is a freaking lip. Holy shit. I feel hot. This is a bomb ass look. I like it. Here's a little up close look at it. This is so simple and so easy. Like, I used pretty much 2 brushes. And one of them was just to like drag it a little bit forward. I could have just done it with one. So yeah, this is an easy little date night sultry type look. I love it. I think it looks freaking bomb as hell. I hope you guys like this. This is kind of me just venturing back into simply into doing YouTube, but I'm so happy that I did this. I'm so happy that I sat down. This look is bomb. My skin is skinning. I'm looking hot as fuck. I'm gonna go get banged by my man tonight because I'm looking too good not to, okay? Okay, but yeah, I feel freaking good. I look good, and that's all that matters. A couple things before you go, though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist, don't be misogynistic, and don't be a freaking dumbass. Okay, it is 2026. Put your head out of your ass and do freaking better, okay? Okay, and remember, morals over makeup. Y'all need to get that through your heads, okay? Okay, okay. I'm judging y'all if you're still supporting shitty ass brands. Okay, 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 okay. But I am going to go edit this. I'm going to go take some bomb ass pictures of myself because I'm looking hot as fuck. And yeah, I feel good. I feel really good. I'm happy to be back. I hope you guys continue to support me because I really do love doing this. So just thank you guys so much for sticking around, for being here, just dealing with me. So I appreciate it so much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.